this problem, we are going to be doing a problem involving elapsed time and regrouping in base 60, which is suitable for 4th graders. Now let's take a look at our word problem. Suppose that it is 11:45 a.m. School lets out at 3:30 p.m. How many minutes do you have left in school? Now, in order to solve this, we're going to use a set model. So it's going to be a time tracker, which will help us easily figure out how many minutes will be left in our day. Okay, we have one column for hours, one column for minutes, and then a time tracker. Okay, so for our starting time, it's going to be 11:45 a.m. Okay, so we're trying to get to this 3:30 p.m. Now, in order to make this a little bit easier, we're going to try and jump to the next whole hour. So what is the next hour after 11:45? That would be 12 o'clock. Now, in order to get to this 12 o'clock, what did we have to do? We added 15 minutes. Now, you should take note that we did not add the 55 minutes. We only added 15. Why is that? Why didn't we go all the way to 100 to get back to this point? Well, in base 60, we go to 60 and stop. Instead of going all the way to 100 and starting over, we are going to be only going to 60. So in order to get to this 12, we went forward 15 minutes. Also, something to note, that when we go to 12 o'clock, we always have to switch our AM and PM. So this 11:45 is AM, which means it's in the morning. So when we get to noon, or 12 o'clock, it is noon. And that is PM. Okay? So we're still having to get to 3:30. So now that we have a whole hour, we can go ahead by 1 hour to 1 p.m. And that took us 60 minutes to get to 1 p.m. Let's go to 2 p.m. And that took us another 60 minutes. And we can get to 3 p.m. with yet another 60 minutes. Now we're almost there. We're at 3 p.m. and we have to get to 3:30. Now, in order to get to 3:30 from 3 p.m., we simply have to add our 30 minutes. Now that we've got to 3:30 from 11:45, we can add up how many minutes it took us to get there. You can simply $225 minutes. Now let's look back at our problem and make sure that it's asking for minutes instead of hours, and it is. So our final answer would be took 225 minutes. Or it will take 225 minutes to get from 11:45 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.